Hey guys, it's LPS here, and I am the CEO, founder, host, and whatnot of LPSCon. Here are some LPSCon tips to stay safe at LPSCon 2024. Ooh, an open bin. Dang, it's still open. Hey girl, do you realize your bin is like open?
Yeah, it's open so everybody can come look at my LPS.
They're like taking your LPS.
Wait, what? Oh my god, do you know who that was? What was their name?
I don't know, girl. That had been going on for a while. I thought you knew that.
No, I don't know who she is, and now I don't have her name to report her. No!
Hey girl, could you give me that LPS so I could like see it up close?
What? Why?
I just want to check if it's real, you know. Okay. Yeah, it looks real. I'll be taking this with me.
Girl, what? Grow up. Give it back.
I don't grow up, I just glow up, and when I look at you, I throw up. Bye! It's really important to remember that LPSCon is a big convention. There are about 800 attendees that have already signed up to attend LPSCon, and tickets are still on sale. If you see any suspicious activity, report it at the event, and the security will be on top of it. Use common sense, and you should be totally fine at LPSCon 2024.